Agronomy farming. Feeding yourself and others through sustainable agriculture. Good afternoon, viewers. Today we are at a research pineapple plot in the island of Trinidad. Take a good look at these plants. These are pineapple planting material known as slips. Note their condition. Very poor. Most have been stripped from the mature plants and have been on the dry ground for months. In agriculture, experienced farmers will swear by healthy seedlings, cuttings, and livestock. Viability and healthy fruit production has already diminished even before planting. If we look closely, black rot fungus has already affected some of these plants, causing the leaves to detach from the stem. Farmers tend to use planting materials that have been freshly harvested or have not been subjected to weather conditions for a prolonged period. The duration from planting to harvesting of pineapples in Trinidad usually takes 18 to 24 months. Excellent stock will increase the favorability of high yields. The purpose of this research is to 1. Shorten the duration of the growing cycle and 2. Increase growth hormones in these waste planting materials in an economical manner so as to propagate mature stocks with high yield. These slips will be soaked in a solution of 5 salt mixtures and 2 experimental plant hormone extracts and planted under the blistering March sun. A diluted solution will be administered weekly until plant growth begins. The major problems facing pineapple farmers are sourcing planting materials, land preparation for farming continuity, high startup costs, weather conditions, poor public agricultural access roads, labor sourcing. These points will differ in priority from farmer to farmer. The aim of venturing into agriculture is to achieve sustainability. Financial independence is the ultimate goal. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Keep looking out for our next video highlighting major points for interested farmers. Remember, no matter the crop, livestock, or aquaculture, sustainability for a farmer means his cash flow should always be in a healthy positive.